Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 7 on the Android table. First, you need a GPC sim. What is this? This is a simulator Windows. This is app that simulates the operating system. Click yes, touch anywhere to continue. What's new? Um, Windows 7. Windows 7. Today is oh, sorry. Okay. This is just ad. Okay, this is installation review. Windows is loading files. This is a setup Windows 7. Microsoft Corporation. This is a first video for English auditory. Click where mouse. Okay, click next. I say next. Oh, okay. Install now. Setup is starting. I accept the license terms. Next. Upgrade. Oh, sorry. Окей, так. Okay. Sorry, I just from Ukraine. I just make video for English auditory. Custom. Then you can select the disk. Next, copy Windows files. There is a short video. Copy Windows files. I bet speak English because I from Ukraine. I want to make I make a video for English auditory because because people from English don't understand Ukrainian or Russian. Okay, goodbye everyone. You're on Motic TV channel. Goodbye.